In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Draw and Ink in Microsoft OneNote. Microsoft OneNote is not just for typing and organizing notes. It also allows you to draw and write by hand using your mouse, touchpad, or a stylus. This feature is especially useful for sketches, diagrams, handwritten equations, or just jotting notes naturally. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open the OneNote application on your desktop or mobile device and navigate to the page where you want to draw. Make sure your notebook and section are loaded, as OneNote syncs everything automatically. Next, look at the top of your screen and click on the Draw tab. Here you will see a variety of tools that let you customize your drawing experience. You can select different pen types, such as ballpoint, pencil, or highlighter, depending on the style you want. Each pen also lets you choose a color and thickness, so you can emphasize or differentiate your notes easily. Once you've selected your preferred pen, start drawing directly on the page. You can sketch freehand, underline key points, or highlight important sections of text. If you're using a stylus or touchscreen, the experience will feel natural, almost like writing on paper. OneNote also provides an eraser tool, which allows you to remove mistakes or refine your sketches. Simply click on the eraser, then drag it over the area you want to remove. You can switch back to your pen at any time to continue drawing. For more precise shapes, OneNote offers the Lasso Select tool. This lets you select any drawing or handwriting and move, resize, or rotate it. It's perfect for reorganizing your sketches or combining elements without having to redraw everything. Additionally, OneNote supports inking with text recognition. This means you can convert your handwritten notes into typed text for easier editing and sharing. Simply select your handwriting and use the Ink to Text option to transform your work. And that's it. With the Draw and Ink tools in OneNote, you can add a personal touch to your notes, create diagrams, or quickly illustrate ideas without leaving the app. Practice with different pens and colors to find a workflow that fits your style. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.